find Dad's U-2 that he actually flew. So it's a working Air Force base. Comes his dad and mom. It's an A-26.
One of the type of plane.
No, he flew that plane. Yes.
Sure.
Papa, you flew this plane.
Not me.
Yes, that plane.
One.
Not like it, that plane.
Another type of. Another one of it.
No, fella, that plane.
It's on display right now.
It's on display. You're seeing his plane right now.
Got pretty big end.
So we're walking up to seeing the 707. Dad flew this one.
What's the ribbons on the bottom? 66 707 and the red one. Oh, okay.
Hang on, we gotta get a. Would they mind if I walk up? All right, Dad flew this one. So Dad said when they take off, these wheels right here would fall off the plane. They were just there to help keep this big old wing from touching. This is the U-2C. Rather wide wingspan, huh? Go over there by the plane.
Me?
The canopy goes up this place. Whatever, just you
So you get in from this side?
get in from this side here. You bring
This side?
this side? Yeah. Oh, this is what would pop the canopy? I think so, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think that lock was on there at the time, right?
No. That's your cube bay or equipment bay there. And then there was the new airplane the S is a completely different airplane.
Really?
They've got a double cube bay. All the inside is gold.
Gold?
Gold. I mean for conductivity.
Oh, I see.
And it's bigger engines, it's bigger wingspan.
Bigger than this?
Yes.
Wow.
It's just it's a new airplane.
Did you fly the B or the C?
These are A's and C's that we flew.
Okay.
The CIA is the one that flew the C's, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then
They had A's and C's. We interchanged airplanes.
So 707, was this only one of several that you flew or just?
One of several.
And that's where the camera
That's
was?
a viewfinder.
Oh, a viewfinder.
It had, as I was telling CJ, it had normal magnification where you would look at it, and then if you really wanted to, you could double or triple your magnification as one more mode.
Oh, okay.
But you could move that viewfinder around to try to find out where you were.
Oh, I see. And the camera was back down there behind the landing gear?
The camera was right here in this cube, in this section here.
Oh, so it was right here.
Yeah, there were different types of cameras and equipment that fit in there.
Mm-hmm.
There was a rack of six different spheres that we pumped up with air for electronic. I'm not for nuclear type of stuff.
Oh.
Then there was a one that had a hole here, dropped out. It had a hole down, vent here, to say that the air run through, and then there was a filter that caught the stuff over.
Oh, okay. We are at Padre Island.